Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is online business versus offline business. And the team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of offline business, and the team sitting on my left is going to speak in the favor of ऑनलाइन बिजनेस. कैमरा हिलाना था ऐसे ऐसे, मैं इसीलिए रुक रहा था. मैंने करेगी ये.
So today I stand firmly in the favor of offline business. Why? So let me begin with asking a simple question that would you like to buy gold without seeing it? Of course not. That is the power of offline business, that it offers trust, touch and transparency, and these all are missing in the online world. Okay, and if I tell you a report, according to the KPMG India report, over 67% of the Indian consumers trust on offline markets more. Why? Because they can see, check, or touch the product before buying. Whether it's about a sari or it's about any iPhone. Okay, and now I would like to talk about the access to the internet. According to the TRAI 2023 report, only about 55% of the rural India has regular access to the internet. Even in cities, most of the people use limited mobile data, which is not suitable for the online business. So this shows that nearly half of the India cannot access to the online business easily. Okay, still people are dependent on the offline markets for their basic and daily needs. So how can we stop the offline business?
So, as I was on my point, that my fellow team members have been talking to my fellow opponents for last 1 hour and telling you the truth that sisters, because none of you is male, sisters, online business is the only path to you to succeed. But you people, you don't have to be iconoclast. You just have to be rural, traditional, and you just have to be, stick on a very dot. You don't have to grow a line, you just have to be on the point. And I would like to tell you some things. First of all, before slamming at you, I would like to ask a very logical, rational question to you, of course. That is, what do you think? A person who has spent almost 1 crore rupees in his venture business in the Mustafabad or in any local area, okay, now after 5 years, what do you think where his business would be? What do you think, where could he reach? Can he reach to the South Africa? Can he reach to the California, USA, or the Russian beach, or to the Mexico City? Oh my God, biryani wala from Mustafabad, California. None of us can reach there, never ever, without having an online business. Now, this same thing Miss Rimsha sister told, this same thing Safia Hashmi told, this same thing many of my fellow team members, which I respect a lot, have been telling you for last 1 hour, but you do not want to understand. I have got another way to tell you. That is answering you. Fabia, first of all, I would like to answer you. I would like to ask a simple question to you. Would you like to buy gold without looking at it? First of all, we don't have that much money to buy gold. And another thing, people buying people yeah, I'm this much poor, not you. People are buying gold, even diamonds online. So that's not a big deal. It's just a normal thing, but you people,
So that's the reason that people become fool.
you people have been making it a mountain of a molehill, that it's a very difficult task to buy online. Rural, we have to talk about the rural people, as if your government and you people day in and day out 24 into 7 only think about the rural people. Have you ever think about your village, that does it have any kind of electricity or not? And you're talking about the online business and offline business, you're going that far, sister. When we will be habitual of the online business today, then tomorrow when your generation will come, inshallah, one day, then your generation will be able to get the benefit of online business in the rural areas too. I hope you live in the city. Okay, another thing, Fabiha sister, from the bottom of my heart, I used to respect you a lot, just because your brother do the online business. Anyway, that is not lost still. Anyway, you said, according to the MSME report, 62%, 62 million Indians. Only Indians or worldwide you're talking about? Worldwide. That's a very very big misconception in you that you were talking about worldwide. I was thinking that it's Indian, but it's worldwide anyway. 62 million people out of 8 billion people in the world. Out of 8 billion people do trust on the offline business. What do you think? Rest 7 billion people, 7 billion and almost 38 million people do not do business or do not have any kind of exposure to the business. They do not buy anything. Only 62 million people buy some things from the online business, offline business, sorry. Not at all. There are 8 billion people in the world, and from those 8 billion people, only 62 million people. Is it a sense? Not at all. Another thing, you were saying that 14 million people trust on the online business. I do not think that that's a good and accurate data. You must have baffled somewhere.
Always, you cannot be right. We also have the accurate data and believe on it.
You must
Okay,
have.
listen now. So now I would like to talk about the employment. As we all know very well that in India India comes on first rank in terms of population, and even most of the people do not have jobs. So now I would like to talk about the employment. So offline business creates a massive employment. According to the data, according to the Statista 2023 study, that shows that over 50 million Indians work in the retail like grocery store and local shops and markets, but online of course not. Okay, they use automation, not manpower, and this shows that offline business supports more families and the Indian economy. So why shouldn't we do the offline business?
Okay, Fabia, I would like to ask a question to you. Okay, you heard her. She was talking that many people online who do the online business, they use the automation, not the manpower, right? Now, the lehenga which you ordered from Meesho, I think, so was any AI drone came to your home to deliver, or any man cam? A man cam, right? Is that a manpower or the automation, sister? I would like to ask to you.
Okay, tell the person,
Anyway, do not
the
tell,
person
no need
who
to
is
answer,
coming,
no need to answer,
the
no need to
person,
answer. Sister,
the
no need to
person,
answer.
listen, yeah.
Okay, speak.
The person who is coming for delivering the lehenga and all, is he doing the online business? Of course not. That is the offline business.
You said that 52 something like that many million people work in the retail market, means they are employed. Of course they are employed. So the people who are doing the delivery job, they're also employed. Are they unemployed? That's not at all the case. Another thing, when online business is effective, what the hell are we doing here at 2 o'clock in the ideal? Why don't we go online and study from the PW or the physics wala LN or something like that? Sister, there are many million people on the PW. Only on the PW app or online, you can say. Okay, there are 10 million people. There are 10 million students who are studying from online only from the PW. One single app. There is Careerwell, there is Akash, Byju's, Duolingo, many are there. Anyway, another thing, Chandni Chowk and the Silampur is the market of the rich people. When has it become? Okay, there is cheap.
Okay, now
there is
it's my
there is
turn.
cheap stuff you find there, right? Of course. What do you think? Who knows Silampur market in the Kerala? Not out of the India, not international. Who knows Silampur market, Chandni Chowk market out of the Delhi? No one.
So what's the need of going outside when people are not getting stuff in India? First of all, you should provide stuff in your India, then you should go worldwide.
Inshallah,
Okay,
when I become a PM, I would provide. Okay, that's not a problem.
Okay, so according to my all the opponents, they are saying that all the works can be done online. So I would say, can you cut hair or repair a car online? Of course not. It can't be. So it means that still we need the offline business for doing these kind of things.
Sister, if you have, then it can be. Okay. Another thing, I would like to give answer. That's not the thing of laughing. That's a very serious thing. Anyway, Rukaya sister, I also had respect for you for a period of time until you didn't speak, until you spoke this thing. My brother, who did the offline business for several months, maybe years, well, that's a very good thing. For several years, my brother did the offline business. Then having gained the experience from the offline business, he went to the online because my brother is not that much illiterate or stupid like me that he knows online business is better than the offline business. That's why he went to the online business, right? Because he knows that online business caters more needs of mine than the offline business. Like if I would be offline, means I would be a businessman in the offline sector, then I would not get that much profit. But when I would go to the online business, then I would gain that much profit, by which I can also give pocket money to my Rukaiya sister. That's what your brother thought, maybe. Thank you.
Okay, so what do you think about the frauds and scams? You know, over 2.4 lakh people. Uh,
Get
yeah,
scammed.
yeah, got scammed by the online transactions. So, what would you like to say about it? Because people are becoming fooled by the online business.
See, there is no need to make fool to the fool. Okay, fool will be fool. Okay, if you are fool, so I'm not anyone. Online business is nothing to make
It
you
means
fool.
everybody is
Another
fool
thing, another thing.
except you.
Sister, of course. I don't think so. But I don't think so like that. Another thing, you know what? We are debating on whether online business or offline business is better to do, not better to consume. Which is better to do as a person? Like you are 12th past graduate or anyone, you are unemployed. So what is better to do? Online business or offline business?
Offline.
Means personally, I do not debate on which is better to consume as a person. That's what
So
I
did
mean.
I say?
Thank you. Thank you.